Can you imagine how artificial intelligence might revolutionize the field of mechanical engineering in the future? Artificial intelligence, or AI, is a fascinating concept that has been shaking up various industries for quite some time now. It's all about creating intelligent machines that can think, learn, and make decisions like humans. Now, let's consider its potential applications in mechanical engineering, a field that's all about designing, analyzing, manufacturing, and maintaining mechanical systems. The current state of AI in mechanical engineering is already quite impressive. We have seen AI being used to enhance product quality, reduce manufacturing downtime, and improve safety conditions. It's helping engineers to make more informed decisions, speed up processes, and optimize resources. One of the significant ways AI is making a mark is through predictive maintenance. This involves using AI algorithms to predict when equipment might fail, allowing for timely maintenance and avoiding costly downtime. It's like having a crystal ball that can foresee mechanical issues before they happen. AI also holds the potential to revolutionize the design process in mechanical engineering. By using AI-powered design software, engineers can create more efficient, safer, and cost-effective designs. These software applications can analyze countless design possibilities in seconds, helping engineers to make the best decisions swiftly. When it comes to manufacturing, AI is not just improving efficiency, but it's also enhancing the quality of products. AI-powered robots can perform complex tasks with precision, reducing errors and waste. They can also work around the clock, increasing productivity. But this is just the beginning. The possibilities of AI in mechanical engineering are vast and exciting. As we continue to push the boundaries of AI, we can expect even more innovative solutions that can address the complex challenges of today's mechanical engineering landscape. With such promising developments, it's clear that the future of mechanical engineering is intertwined with the advancements in AI. The integration of these two fields holds the potential to create